Are you ready for a storage revolution? With the proliferation of high-performance computing, gaming, and workstation applications, traditional hard disk drives are struggling to keep up. But what if I told you there's a solution so powerful? It's not just a step up, it's a quantum leap. Introducing the Samsung 990 Pro SSD, a game-changing storage solution that delivers unprecedented speeds, efficiency, and performance. In this review, we'll delve into its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. In recent years, the demand for high-performance storage has skyrocketed, driven by the growing adoption of 3D modeling, video editing, and other compute-intensive applications. Traditional hard disk drives, with their spinning mechanical parts, are no match for the demands of modern computing. They're slow, unreliable, and power-hungry, making them a frustrating bottleneck for users. But what's the alternative? Solid-state drives, SSDs, have been gaining popularity over the past decade, offering faster speeds, lower latency, and improved reliability. However, even high-end SSDs have limitations, such as bandwidth constraints, thermal throttling, and high costs. That's where the Samsung 990 Pro SSD comes in, a cutting-edge solution that leverages the latest PCIe 4.0 technology to deliver blistering speeds and unparalleled performance. Let's take a closer look at the 990 Pro SSD. As you can see, it's a compact M.2 2280 module with a sleek, matte finish and a sturdy aluminum casing. The design is understated yet robust, exuding a sense of premium quality. The SSD is powered by a high-performance controller and equipped with 12 high-speed NAND chips, ensuring blazing fast speeds and exceptional endurance. Now, let's talk features. The 990 Pro SSD is designed for performance enthusiasts and professionals who require the fastest storage solution available. It leverages the PCIe 4.0 interface to deliver sequential read speeds of up to 7,450 megabytes per second, sequential write speeds of up to 6,900 megabytes per second, and random read performance of up to 1 million IOPS. This is an incredible feat of engineering, especially considering the drive's 4 terabytes capacity. But what does all this mean in real-world terms? For gamers, it means faster loading times, smoother gameplay, and more immersive experiences. For content creators, it means faster rendering, editing, and export times, allowing them to focus on their art rather than waiting for their system to catch up. For professionals, it means faster data transfer, improved collaboration, and enhanced productivity. In our real-world testing, we put the 990 Pro SSD through its paces, using it as a boot drive, a data drive, and a game drive. We measured its performance using a variety of workloads, from simple file transfers to complex applications like Adobe Premiere Pro and Blender. The results were staggering. The 990 Pro SSD consistently delivered faster speeds, lower latency, and improved responsiveness compared to our previous high-end SSD. Of course, no review is complete without discussing the pros and cons. On the plus side, the 990 Pro SSD offers exceptional performance, a robust build quality, and a generous 5-year warranty. It's also relatively power efficient, with a low idle power draw. However, it's worth noting that the drive's high-performance capabilities come at a cost. It's priced accordingly, and it may not be the best option for users on a tight budget. When compared to competing options, the Samsung 990 Pro SSD stands out for its remarkable performance, impressive endurance, and robust design. It's a clear leader in the high-end SSD market, offering unparalleled speeds and capabilities. However, it's worth noting that other drives, such as the WD Black SN850 and the AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT SSD, offer similar performance at a slightly lower price point. In conclusion, the Samsung 990 Pro SSD is a game-changing storage solution that delivers unprecedented speeds, efficiency, and performance. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a professional, this drive is sure to impress. With its cutting-edge technology, robust build quality, and generous warranty, it's an investment worth considering. So, If you're ready to take your computing experience to the next level, look no further than the Samsung 990 Pro SSD.